This video will guide you through how to install Splash Script's Autofill and AutoClicker and WinRar file unzipper. So the first step is to go to Google Chrome or any browser you have and search up WinRar. Once you are on WinRar, click on the first link, and on the left side there will be a tab saying Downloads. Click Downloads and it will say 64-bit or 32-bit. So how to find out if your laptop or PC is either 64 or 32-bit? You should minimize the tabs, go to the home screen and click Display. Right click and select Display Settings. Once you're at Display Settings, on the left hand side scroll down to About, and it will say what type of system you are. So in my case, I am a 64-bit operating system, so make sure you keep that in mind. Once that is done, go back to Google Chrome and obviously install the WinRar 64-bit. You can install anywhere in the PC, but I prefer installing in desktop, so I'm going to save it in desktop. But you can install it anywhere as long as you keep in mind where you install it. So once I click desktop, I click save, and it should automatically download down here. So I personally will close this window and do the setup through the WinRar shortcut. So double left click to open it, and there will be a pop-up which it doesn't show, but will say WinRar Archiver, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? And you select yes. Once you select yes, there will be another pop-up with all the trial version information and other information that you can read if you want. You can click install and it'll automatically load, and leave the WinRar setup to default and click OK. Once that's done, it will say thank you for using WinRar and click done. So it'll automatically open, and double click to open this WinRar application to make sure it's downloaded. So when you open it, there'll be a pop-up asking for you to renew or pay for a membership to use WinRar, but all you have to do is click X and you can automatically continue to use it. So now that you made sure it's installed, you can close both of these windows and go to Discord, Splash Script server, and scroll down to Splash Script's Autofill. There's a channel that says setup and install, and there's a link saying click here to download the Autofill and auto checkout. Once again, I'm going to be saving it to desktop, but you can save it anywhere and click save. It'll automatically be saved. Close both windows and open the file. Next step is to select both by either highlighting or holding down Control and selecting both of these, and click extract to. Once you click extract to, there will be a choice to say OK, and you would click that. Then it will automatically be saved to your desktop. Now that it's saved to your desktop, go to Google Chrome, click on this puzzle piece and click Manage Extensions. Once you're here, make sure your developer mode is on, otherwise you won't be able to install. Once developer mode is on, there should be a pop-up here saying Load Unpacked, Packed Extension, or Update. You select Load Unpacked. Once Load Unpacked, open the folder and install only Splash Scripts. Do not install _MACOSX. Only install Splash Scripts and click Select Folder. Now that it's in, it is successfully installed into your Chrome browser. So you can go back to the puzzle piece and pin Splash Scripts for easier access. Once it's installed, you can open it by clicking it and log in with your Discord so that our auth system can make sure that you are a member. Sign into Discord, enter your own info, and your autofill and auto checkout is successfully downloaded.